Hello, this is Practice It exercise 4.14, pow2. The problem reads, write a method named pow2, a variation of the previous pow exercise, that accepts a real number base and an integer exponent as parameters and returns the base raised to the given power. Your code should work for both positive and negative exponents. For example, the call pow2 parentheses 2.0 comma -2 return 0.25. Do not use math.pow in your solution. Okay, so I'm going to start with the variable that is going to be called result. So we'll say double and then result, and then since this is a double, we'll say 1.0 instead of 1. We'll start off with that. Okay, and then we're going to pretty much increment this now. So for int I equals 0, and then we'll say I, and then since there can be negative values, we're going to use an absolute value function, so math.absolute, and then since we have the parameters that are already defined, so we have the base and exponent, we're basically going to be incrementing, so before that, we are going to put an absolute value around exponent so that there's no negative values on that first. So exponent, and then we're going to increment I, so I plus plus, right? And then in this case, we're going to say result times our base, just like that. And then if our exponent, so this is when we're going to account for our negative exponent. So if our exponent happens to be less than 0, then we're going to return 1 divided by our result, because in math, when there's a negative exponent, that value goes to the denominator, meaning we divide it by 1 pretty much. And then this is pretty much going to be our result, and then we just need to return it. So return result, and that should pretty much wrap this up. Let's submit it. And yeah, all our test cases are passed, which means our code is correct. And yep, that's all for this problem, and we'll see you next time.